Discover the OXO Good Grips Handheld Mandoline Slicer, a convenient kitchen tool designed to help you slice fruits and vegetables quickly and evenly. Its comfortable grip and adjustable slicing settings make it useful for preparing cucumbers, potatoes, onions, apples, and other ingredients. Whether you're making salads, meal prep dishes, or everyday meals, this handheld mandolin can help save time in the kitchen. In this video, we'll take a look at the OXO Good Grips Handheld Mandoline Slicer, its features, design, ease of use, and why it can be a useful addition to your kitchen tools. Get just the right slice. The handheld mandolin slicer for kitchen easily adjusts to 1mm, 2.5mm, or 4mm so you can perfectly slice a range of vegetables and fruit. Slice securely. The large non-slip handle and stable foot are designed for comfort and security while slicing potatoes, cabbage, onions, cheese, or fruit. Fits your routine. Slice directly onto a plate, on a cutting board or hook over a bowl so never have to make awkward movements or interrupt the flow of your food preparation to clean up messes. See what you've sliced. The mandolin food slicer features a clever window so you can assess volume while slicing. This veggie slicer won't let you end up with too many sliced cucumbers or more potatoes than your gratin called for. Built to last. Like all our products, the OXO Mandoline Slicer is engineered to streamline and simplify the task at hand, whether you use it as a general